Right, let's do a small update on the 2 Series after the engine rebuild. I'm doing this on my phone because I lost my camera somewhere. So I have done just over 2,000 miles in the car. It's been running smooth, and then one day I was driving back from work, and when I stopped at the traffic lights, the car kind of like felt like it was gonna cut out. So I thought it would stop, but the thing was switched off. And basically, ever since after that, the Valvetronic motor started making a buzzing noise, which yeah, just means that it's knackered. When I've initially built the car, it already failed. So I've ordered the Valvetronic motor. It was a non-genuine motor, but it was brand new. And that was the only replacement, aftermarket replacement I could find that was in stock. So I fitted that and it was fine. And then yeah, it failed. So now we've got a genuine one. It's not a nice job to do. You have to take the rocker cover off again. Oh yeah, let's try and open this up. So anyway, this is it. We're going genuine this time. It's a 4-hour job, book time anyway. Hopefully it's not going to take me that long because I've done it already. So yeah, doing that while I've got the car in the workshop. I'm doing an oil change. It does look very dark, but I'm using this race oil, which is already a very dark oil. It looks like dark red, so I'm not too bothered about the color of the oil or what came out. And also I'm doing the suspension upgrade while the car is in as well, so it's going to be a long day today. But yeah, hopefully this is going to be a lot better to drive, and it's going to be dropped by, I don't remember, 20 to 30 mil I think. I've got some tyres coming as well, and yeah, the rear left shock absorber shits itself. It is gone. Tyres are pretty low as well, so yeah, they're coming probably at some point next week. But yeah, other than that, no major oil leaks, no issues really, apart from that Valvetronic motor, which is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. Gonna get that done and then put the map back on it, because I've been driving the car on stock power this whole time just to kind of like run it in properly, and yeah, now I can start doing intercoolers and everything else. It's got a decat, it's got charge pipes, all that shit, so yeah, I'm gonna do the intercooler and then do some remaps basically. So this is where the shit is buried. What a nightmare. So I need to take these out, replace that, and yeah, we can carry on. Yeah, so we're almost there. We can see it now. Just those 3 screws holding that in. Get this out of the way. Make sure this doesn't spring off. And yeah, replace that. And then we can put it back together. Right, so we've got the new motor that's going in, and as per instructions you have to use this special grease from BMW, which you apply all over this before you fit the thing, so that all the gears are greased up on the initial startup. So yeah, cut this. This mess. Yeah, refit it. Put it all back together. Then you have to do all the adaptations. It takes like 10 minutes. Right, so this is what this oil looks like, brand new. It's almost black. Or it's like a dark red color basically. Alright, the front suspension is dismantled. It's not the worst suspension to take apart, to be fair, out of some of the BMWs. Got new boots. This one's all done. I just had to swap this over from the original one. I've already bought the top mounts and everything else, because these were a bit noisy. And this shock absorber was ready to be replaced. It wasn't leaking yet, but yeah, it is 10 years old. This is some serious cowboy job. I didn't even mask the tyres off. I couldn't be bothered to take the stickers off on the inside. As you can see there. But they look 10 times better anyway. That will do. I'll probably smash them up and I'm going to take those tyres off, so it doesn't really matter. They still look better than they did. This is meant to be that gold kind of satin matte colour from the Porsche GT3 RS or wherever they are. Don't know, just like it. It looks better than the grey. Looks a bit different. I'll give it a go. I'll see what it looks like on the car once I've got the tyres on it. Okay, so this is what the car looks like at the moment. It doesn't look that low, but I can live with it. I did think it was the wrong springs that I got, but I guess it's better for it not to be too low. This is the wheel colour. I'm pretty happy with it, to be fair. But I've got 12mm spaces to go on the front, 15 on the back, and the bigger intercooler, so that's what I'll be doing today. Hopefully you'll make it sit a little bit nicer, because yeah, that does not look great. difference is pretty massive. Let's get that fitted. Okay, so these are 12mm spacers for the front. Clean this up. That goes on there. We've got longer bolts. And cleaned up the wheel on the inside. It's weird how the dust gets thrown out from the disc. So this is basically the finished product. It does look a lot better with the spacers on it. Like I've mentioned already, it is sitting a little bit higher than I wanted it to, but I do use this car every day, so I drive this daily. This is my main mode of transport, so I wouldn't want it to be basically slammed on the floor, so I have to slow down for every speed hump and just be worried I'm gonna rip something off. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with it. I just need to do a wheel alignment. That's one of the last things that I'm gonna do. Then yeah, just probably book some track days. It's a bit unfortunate that I don't have the option of the LSD on the car, but maybe at some point if I do decide to throw any more money at this car, that would probably be one of the main things that I would want to do next. But I'll just leave it at that, and yeah, just enjoy it for a while, see how I get on.